Alright, hello everybody, we're in section 3.1 and we're going to look at the difference quotient. Okay, difference quotient is of utmost importance to people who are going to go on and take calculus. This is a super huge idea. So for us, we just want to get the mechanics down in this class. So the difference quotient for function f is given by f of parentheses x plus h minus f of x all divided by h. So it looks intimidating, but it's really not that bad. All we want to do is work through the mechanics of how to simplify something like this. So let's take a look at a couple examples. Okay, so we want to find the difference quotient, we want to simplify, and here's our function. F of x equals 5x plus 7. Okay, so just a quick little thing just to make sure we're all understanding. If I ask you what f of 2 is, well, you plug a 2 in for every x. So I have 5 parentheses times 2 plus 7, which would be 10 plus 7, which is 17. So this machine, when you put in a number 2, it spits out the number 17. Okay, just want to make sure that that's perfectly clear. Alright, let me get rid of this and let's attack the difference quotient. Okay, so remember, the difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So let's give it a shot. So f of x plus h, it's just like if this was the number 2. You're going to stick x plus h into every x in the function. So I have 5, parentheses, I have an x, I'm going to replace it with x plus h plus 7 minus, that is exactly this whole term, f of x plus h, it's right there. And now I have to be careful, and this is more distribution. We have to subtract off the whole function. So here we need a parenthesis. We've got 5x plus 7, that's my function, here's my function, minus the function, and this is all over h. Okay, now we do the algebra. So I'm going to do distribution here. So this gives me 5x plus 5h plus 7. More distribution, run that minus sign in. Minus 5x minus 7 over h. I combine up like terms here. 5x, I take 5x away, they cancel. 7 and the minus 7 cancel. Now I have 5h over h. The h is canceled now, and I have the number 5. So this difference quotient, when we simplify it, we get a 5. Alright, let's take a look at one more. Okay, now I have the function f of x equals x squared minus 3x, and the same thing. I want to find the difference quotient and simplify. So remember, the difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So first I need to plug x plus h into every input. So here's an x right off the bat. I replace it with x plus h squared, and all x's get replaced by x plus h minus. That is the whole function evaluated at x plus h. And now I subtract off the whole original function. Always do a parenthesis here. Got x squared minus 3x all divided by h. Simplify the top. So let's see, first of all, I'm going to write this twice. Remember, don't distribute exponents. Can't do that. So I'm going to write that twice, and then I'm going to FOIL it. This minus 3 gets distributed. So minus 3x minus 3h. This minus sign gets distributed. Minus x squared plus 3x all over h equals. I'm going to FOIL this out. So x times x is x squared plus xh plus another one, and then here's h squared. Oh, I need some more space, so I'm just going to go down here. So x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared. I've got minus 3x plus 3x, those guys cancel. Minus 3h minus x squared all over h. So erase this real fast. Shoot. Okay. I expanded out everything, and now let's see, do I have anything else that cancels? I've got x squared and a minus x squared. They cancel out. And now what's left? These guys are like terms. So I have 2xh plus h squared minus 3h. all over h. To simplify as much as I can do the top. And now the nice thing is every term up here has an h. So I can cancel out this h on the bottom. It takes out this h, it takes out this power, it takes out this one. I'm dividing it out with everything, so I'm being nice and fair here. And I'm left with 2x plus h minus 3. And that is a nice simplified answer with these difference quotients. You always figure out whatever the top is, and then you're going to be able to cancel out the h in the bottom. And once that h is gone in the bottom, whatever you have left is the answer. And this is going to come in handy once if you end up taking calculus or trig or anything like that. Alright, that's the difference quotient. This was such an awesome problem, it definitely gets both a smiley face and a star. And that'll do it.